we have a very steep climb here up to the road. I'll take you up and then we'll ride back. I have to pedal. The bike would not do it by itself. You can see the marked bicycle path on the street there. But I'm going to turn around. And we'll go back. This is like falling off the end of the world here. Probably doesn't look as steep in the video as it does for me. Nothing like putting a sharp curve at the bottom of a steep grade. Dead route design. At about 19 miles an hour, relatively level ground. Drawing about 300 watts pretty regularly. Watts there. Hope I can't tilt my head far enough down so I can see that. I'm without riding blind, so I can't do that. Is what you can and cannot do. Number one is no motorized vehicles, but the laws of the state of Virginia have changed to now allow, I think, Class 2 electric powered vehicles. Take it a little slower here so you can enjoy the scenery. All right. About 13 miles an hour here. I'm just I throttled back. I'm just I could be doing this on my pedaling this way. What I call the egret pond. In spring there was an egret here with covey or whatever you call a bunch of young egrets. They're gone now. The pond is somewhat overgrown at the moment. Now I'm going to deviate from the path to show you the bridge that I did not take, or the crossing I did not take. It's what the county calls a fair weather crossing. And the idea is that you carry your bike or walk across those stepping stones. It's down, looks like about 10 centimeters now, but even a slight rain brings it well over the top. And anyway, this folding bike is heavy, roughly 30 kilos, and there's no really good place to hold it, to pick it up. It doesn't balance easily. So it's very hard to carry across something like this. I'm going to turn around now. I'm going to get off the bike here. Oops, there you can see my recording device. The shadow of my recording device. Can you see that? Up here, my bike lugger is falling off the mount. Oh, it's the glue that gave up. Oh my. So, I have to come up with something. Put a screw through it, I guess. Obviously going to fall off again. This is information here. We've been logging for 24 minutes, and battery voltage is down to 39.2. I've used 1.3 ampere hours and 50.8 watt hours, and the trip has been, let's see, 4.38 miles. I had headphones on, he probably couldn't hear me even if I had a big fan on this bike. Here's the summit again. I'm going to give it some help here. bridge crossing, Cub Run. Now the path, if I continue around to the left, goes up to a street in the development very close by. But we'll stay on the park path. Commuting with nature while on their cell phone, huh? I'm giving it a little help here.